Hi guys, Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston. Today I'm on this brand new Sea Ray SDX 250 Surf. Starting on the back of the boat, you'll see this is a stern drive boat since it is a surf boat. So you've got nice walk around transom access with a flip down swim platform while you're hanging out. As you make your way in, you'll see this boat's got the nice sea deck finishing on the floor. Plenty of seating around with an L-shaped sofa. Flip back bolsters on the port and starboard side. That way, if you're watching somebody surf behind you, you can lay back and relax and just watch the ride. So up at the helm station, since this is a surf boat, it is a little different with having this menu for your different settings. You can set a surf, wakeboard, and a ski/tube setting, or you can additionally adjust them on your own independently how you'd like it. You've got your ballasts here and then your trim tab system as well. This boat throws a great wave considering it's a dual purpose boat. You've got a second screen where you can pull up your mercury information, charts, depth sounder, all that type of stuff. In front of the helm, you've got a huge walk-in head compartment with its own sink basin and tons of storage. That's the boat cover in there as well. What's nice about these SDX boats is they give you this opening on the top as well to help make your entry down below easier. On the port side, you've got your Fusion audio head unit, catch basin for loose items, then you've got a locker below with a phone charger to throw stuff you want to keep dry. In front of that, you'll see we do have our windshield, storage below with your teak table, and then your air dam that flips out like this. Now that we're up at the bow, you can see another super nice thing about the SDX line of boats is this offset, super wide, almost C-shaped seating area. So you've got a spot for your teak table here with storage below, plenty of cup holders and spots to set your phone, and you've got your Fusion audio speakers up here as well. In front of that, on this boat, you have a nice hideaway beach access boarding ladder. So when you pull up to the sandbar and beach the boat, you can hop on and off right from the front without having to get in the water. If you're looking for a surf boat like this one, my name is Tyler Morris with MarineMax Houston. Give us a call and I'd be happy to help. Thank you.